of the slur, remember? And also remember to curve your finger before you play, always. That can maintain the finger in the shape. Again. Yes. Basically, the right hand is two note, like very intensive two note slur, right? Down, up, all the time. Make sure when you go down, it's curved. That can make sure the sound is bright enough, and then the finger not bent, right? So, but anyway, all these two notes slur cannot be all the same, right? Otherwise, it's too predictable, it's too easy. So we have to try to make some details. Look. How about this? We can make it four slur a longer phrase. Four slur a phrase. Look. Basically, like we have to form a bigger one. Do, crescendo, do, louder, do, softer. Got it? Instead of making them all the same, we do this. And maybe we can do that here as well. So four slurs a phrase. So let's see how it goes. To form some, relationships between the slurs. Let's try slowly. Okay. Do, do, do. First note. Not too loud as the beginning of the phrase is moderately. Got it? Not too loud. What? So natural. You're unfolding a story. Starting slowly, softly, unfold the story. Very gently. Yes. Yeah, very nice. Reaching maybe some more wrist, Luther. Look at my wrist. Rolling like this. Less finger lifting, more wrist. Try. Very good. Do. about this minute. This minute you can just maybe add a quaver rest here, because you can't play them non-stopping. You have to lift and drop here. Therefore, rest is needed. Okay, so it's also quite stressed here, very bright. A lot of emotions here. Okay, and that one decrescendo. Basically like that. Okay? How about here? Wrist. I just draw an indication here. Wrist, like you're circling. Or which one you prefer? Try both. Second one, right? But not too harsh on the first key. Squeeze. That's quite loud. That's tenuto. Curve before you go down. Going up, the wrist, the rhythm can be shortened. Allow yourself a rest to go up and down. That's what I mean. Okay, and you can apply this to all minutes. All minutes can be shortened. There's the la. You have to check the fingering, right? Yes, I'm very soft here. You're kind of feeling a flowing forward. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's too bright. Crescendo doesn't mean extremely loud, right? Yes. Curve your finger before you press. Deepen. Deeper. Whoops. But the tie at the top, so we don't stress. We don't press twice. We connect the top note.
But these two are different notes.
I mean the top. You understand what I mean? We play do, si, that's a third, but fa is a tie. Both fa, F sharp, tie. Okay? Keep going. 27? 27, good. Should be quite soft, you know what I mean, right? That's the last slur. Wait for 3 seconds. 2, 3. Alright? Finish the whole piece next time. Now Bach. Curve your finger. Very lively, a lot of spirits, right? Two singing style. Boom, boom. That's okay, just the E natural. That's okay, I don't really mind, but can you feel the step? The brighter step up. You have to shake that. Here. That mi must be tenuto. See what I did? Okay, not just hitting the key, but with your arms. I think you can play left hand a bit louder. You know, and then there is no accompaniment for Bach. They are both melodies. You can think of this. They're both important. You can't play left hand softer than right hand. You understand what I mean? You can't do. You don't have to do that. Think of left hand as the melody, as the accompaniment. Can be the same. I think also, I can think you can play the beginning a little bit more with more spirits. Can be more straightforward. That's good, but I think it's not really suitable for animato. It's more straightforward. That's more appropriate for the second one, but not the third one. As the animato doesn't mean like that. Okay? First note, you have to get a lot of energies starting from the first note. A lot of energy. Push. The first note is quite important, no? A little bit louder. Not too loud. And here, I'm not sure if you notice that we can do step down. We can do step down. Look. Because that's all the way decline. So that's why we can do decrescendo. So we don't play very soft here, maybe mezzo forte, mezzo piano, and piano. We do a declining here. Let's try from 17. Less harsh. Squeeze down. Got it? It's elegant. Slower touch. Again. Larger. Don't play left hand too soft. You know what I mean? This is like two-part duet. This is like a duet. Like you are singing, I'm singing. We are singing together. We are both important. Understand? Play left hand a little bit deeper. I need to, you have to convey left hand very clearly as writing. Try again. First note, remember, standing up.
Here.
Yes, the beginning. That's too hard. I don't think it's a good idea. If you wanna, if you wanna bring out the first note, don't do this anymore with attached. Going upward, not too loud. What? Yes. I prefer attached on the soul because you're going to bring out. Attach and bring out the notes after. If you do this, so you smash down, but the note lost its ongoing character because you've smashed it. 你录一下，这个他你的，我给你录一下。我这装备就比较业余。All right, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Crescendo, C, right? It's kind of it's not. All these notes are not the same. They go towards E. Do you understand what I mean? All these notes crescendo towards towards this one. So you can't get in softer. No. You've lost the connection. That's why you have to tenuto that E, because that's the top of the note. You understand what I mean? Because that's the top, right? Yeah. Shh. It's a phrase. Ready? From the beginning. Ready? Go. Do one more week, alright? Next time we'll do it better. This is a difficult one, but you did very well. Good job. What's the date? 9, okay.
No.
Thank you. I don't know, doesn't matter. Still polonist. 巴赫多练一下是没事的啊，你不用着急，因为总共就10来首，不是很多的。是吗？反正也不是很多，反正你就练就好了。28了，没事，你慢慢学。你弹完这本书，你考8级都够了，没事的。啊 ，alright, go back, polonist. You have not captured the beats. Dang, da, da, da. You can play a little bit slow. It's 3/4, right? It's dancing. Remember waltz pattern? You play the second and third a little bit softer. You don't want to. That's a longer phrase. But this one, I don't like staccato. It's too jumpy. Is that good? Look. That's more Baroque. That's more like Bach. No. Okay? That's not originally written by Bach. Remember? So we do non-legato throughout. Actually, I've done that last week, but you forgot. Okay? Not too loud. Even so. Yeah. Lower. Low. Non-legato for those staccatos. Yeah, is to articulate this piece in a better way, because Bach has no signs or articulation signs written on it. You have to learn articulation better, okay? Because you have to have your own opinions about whether you are going to do staccato or non-legato. You have to have your taste or your opinion, okay? And people always do legato and staccato without doing non-legato for Bach. That's wrong. Bach has so many non-legatos, so many detached notes of his music. You have to learn that. You understand? Try. Okay? Go home and practice those detached notes. Okay? I think when you see those signs, you can all play non-legato for those ones. But maybe let me show. Maybe this one legato. Maybe this one legato. This one. That's definitely not so crispy, so jumpy here. Quite awkward like that, right? Yes. You know what I mean, right? We might do non-legato throughout, but replace staccato. 这个太奇怪了，对不对？你不想这么弹吧？是不是很奇怪？Better, right? Okay. So the last one. To slow practice on the Hammond, on the scales, okay? You've lifted, which is okay, you've lifted, but once you lift, your finger get collapsed straight away. That's what we have to try to practice, because once your finger get collapsed, then your tone will get less bright, will lose its really shining color, will lose the color, it becomes very dark green. We have to keep a shape to make the note shiny. That's why you need to do slow practice. See, you keep lifting. Once you drop it down, your finger get changed. Better? So, Hammond for that. Okay? You've lifted your finger, but you've collapsed all the time. That's why the note is becoming quite weak. If you want to avoid that, maybe when you lift your finger, set it here, set it more curved. That will help you with a better tone. With a better, not that curved, little bit more curved. That's what you have to balance. You understand? Basically, that's how it works. When you lift, the more straight, the easier you bend. The less straight, the more curved, the more easier you will just keep a shape. Understand? So, as a beginner, and as you that have a weak finger joint, curving your finger is always a very good option. finger before you play curve more. You have to feel the note very crispy, very straightforward. Sometimes the music is not always singing style. We have to really making them in a different opposite way. Very vertical, but not, that makes your finger get claps. More curved, still claps in. Yeah, and also for that, from 5 to 4, I think it's a little bit not very well lifted. As you sometimes it's a little bit uneven. You know what I mean? Da 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 is sometimes uneven. Let's try from here. Curve your finger more and put it down louder. Curve your finger. Now, da 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 faster. Curve. What? Too weak. The softer you play, the firmer your finger get. Okay? You can't just, let's not play the piano. So your finger shape does not change. Goes, not only legato but also staccato, not only forte but also piano. Always, forever. Your finger gets a shape forever. Both forte and piano. Okay? Do, do, do. Firm your finger and then singing style. Do, 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 do. This phrase is quite long here, right? This phrase is quite long here. We can crescendo and decrescendo. Crescendo. Is that for the long phrase? Crescendo and decrescendo. Okay? That's it. 再弹一次啊，下次啊。Make it good. Try this one. And then team of one. Curve your finger. You have not voiced the pinky. Crescendo along with right hand. 3 steps. Understand? There's a rest. Fully use that to go up and then drop for both hands. Can you hold? curve your finger. So finger 5 before you play, but mid joint, curve. You have to good. Firstly, you have to learn to be able to drop the arm weight with your pinky. Yeah, sometimes you can't draw the full arm weight down as your finger doesn't quite. Yeah, that's it. Can you feel that? It's not all the same. Louder. B is very soft like this. What? Fingering start from 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 2. But get rid of this